Hey everyone, I'm Ethel. I'm a professional makeup artist and a skincare professional. So welcome to my channel. So basically, this is my first video where I'm making a product review video, and I hope you will love it. And few products I've bought recently from different vendors like Amazon and Instagram resellers, and there is few brands other who are having their own brands too. So let me reviewing these products for you guys. I hope you will love it. Please do give your comments and feedback. So this is the first palette. This is a You Can Be face paint, face and body paint palette, which you can see here. It's written. I hope you can see. This is face and body paint palette, and I bought it from Instagram reseller, Instagram reseller Foreign Beauty Lounge, and I'll be giving their link from where I bought this. This You Can Be cruise palette, and I've seen very good reviews on that, and you can see this is the palette. I've already sourced 2 or 3 shades from it, and there is, you can see, it's a cream based paints where you have to layer it up with the powder based eyeshadows. If you want to create any kind of depth, or you want proper definition to your shade, any kind of shade, then these cream palettes, cream shades will help you in that. Okay, but only thing which I feel negative about this brand, because I've not tried the product properly as a body in body paint or body art. I will definitely be making this video, and that also I'll be sharing it very soon. So but only thing which I was telling you negative I found in this is this. See? So these shades comes out. Okay, so maybe if you like, in case in future, I'm not sure like whether they do have the refills of these shades or not. If they do, if they have the refills, then stick your shades with the Fevicol or any kind of a glue which is like not permanent type. And if they don't have a refill for this, then you should definitely stick it with the Fevikwik, so that it will stick and it will not come out, because the more it will come out, the more it will get spoiled. So the next product is this. This is really pretty. So this is a very pretty sequins bag. You can see it is from BH Cosmetics. I have got this 5 lipsticks. These are 5 durable lipsticks from BH Cosmetics. So these are the lipsticks. There is 5 different shades. Let me give you a swatch also. But before that, I have got this from the Beauty Launch. You can see here. Let's start with the swatches of BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick. Basically, these are the non-transferable lipsticks, which is like kind of a long stay lipsticks. It doesn't make your lips too dry, because I've tried one shade, and it is a good thing about a long stay lipstick, that because most of the lipsticks make your lips too dry, and after some time it starts coming out in a peel off way. So let's start with this shade. This is a shade Stephanie. Let's start with this. Wow, it's beautiful. Let's start with the next lipstick. It is the shade name is Vanya. It's nice. It's lighter version of the Stephanie shade. Then the third shade is Karen. I really love their name too. So here you can see. This is also cute. Nice shade. So nowadays the nudes is in the trend. So you can see this is good. So the fourth shade is this. This is Marina. Okay, it's a reddish shade. It's basically a red shade only. I hope you can see this. So my first ever swatches too. The fifth shade. This is Simone. Yes, Simon, and let's see. Swatches are bad. Okay, so you can see here. So let's do the mask test, okay? And before that, let me apply one lipstick. Let's try one lipstick. Simon. So let's do the mask test. As now due to COVID, we have to live with this mask, and being the woman, I know how we love using lipstick or a gloss. At least this is the only one thing which everyone loves wearing it. So let's try this. Like if you're wearing a lipstick under your mask, then will it come out or not? So keep like this lipstick, will it come out or not? So let's check this out. So by the time the mask test is still running, let's check out the other things which I bought. So there is these. So see here, these are the 5 different brushes which I have bought it. It's a 5 set which I bought it from the beauty, and this latex sponge, and I've got it in the discount. They were having a clearance discount. So our mask test is done. Ta-da! It's good, and it's not even so this is this latex sponge which I bought it from the beauty store only, and let's see how it looks after getting wet. Okay, so just check from here. This is the size, and after wetting it, what will be the size? Let's check it. So we see the size after it's wet. You can see it's coming till here, and it's spongy. Good one. Let's see, once I'll start using it on myself or on my client, then only I can give the exact review about this beauty blender. Otherwise, mainly I really love to use brushes. I'm not very much fond of the beauty blenders, because when I've learned makeup, we used to use only beauty brushes, because the brushes gives you more good blending than the beauty blender. And beauty blender is like a quick thing. Yes, if you don't know how to use a proper brushes, if you're not a proper professional, then you will definitely go towards the beauty blender. It's a quick thing, it's good, it's time saving, it's not time consuming. So yes, you can go for a beauty blender if you want to basically save your time. So the next product is these sheet masks which I have bought it from the Amazon, and you can see these are the 5. So this is pomegranate. Pomegranate is rich in vitamin C, and it's very good for brightening. So this is the whole package of brightening face mask. I've actually chosen the brightening one, and I've got two for each, and this is avocado, which will give you hydration. This is lemon again gives you citrus. It also have vitamin C and gives you good brightening. Then this is rice. So rice is also very good. So we are done. So there is like 5 different masks. Try it. I will definitely try it, because I've already used the Face Shop product, and I'm in love with the Face Shop product. It's very, very good. So the next thing is these eyelashes. I bought it from the Celios lashes, and I'm the regular user of Celios, and I really, really love their lashes. And even if you have seen my vanity on my Instagram account, the pink vanity, and that also I bought it from the Celios vanity. The other vanity also I bought it from Celios vanity. And yes, see, this is really, really cool, and I bought it just for 1,000 rupees. So you can see there is 18 pairs of the lashes, and this one, and these Celios also, you can see the lashes are really, really beautiful. These are the natural hair, the hairs, natural hairs, and it's all good, like good for the bridal one. So you can see here, as I've mentioned, they do have these vanities and mirrors, and other single lashes are also available. Do check their page guide. So last one is this purse, which I've bought it from the Jyoti Jia store. The quality of the purse is really, really nice, and it is hardly for I guess 500 rupees. I don't remember the exact price because I bought it from before the lockdown started. You can see the inside quality of the product is also very good. You can attach the sling here, or else if you don't want to attach the sling, you can even carry the purse like this, and it does look expensive. It's really very good, and I'm buying so many things from Jyoti Jia store from so long, guys, and it's good. You should go and visit them. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Do subscribe and give your thumbs up to my video. Okay, and yes, thanks, bye bye.